So here's our humeral head, and you've got our glenoid here. And it's a situation where the supraspinatus is irreparable. Let's say here's the end of the tendon. There's no way I'm going to be able to get this tendon back here and repair it. So you run into the problem of humeral head escape, right? If I don't have the supraspinatus holding the humeral head down, pushing down on it and pulling it in and keeping it in the glenoid, if I fire my deltoid and pull up, it's going to want to raise my arm up. So I'm limited on what the options are if I can't repair this supraspinatus tendon. So the superior capsular reconstruction is a procedure where we take the same dermal graft, right? You've got this rectangular dermal graft. You're going to cut out a portion of that, and it's going to be a thicker graft, 3.5 millimeters up to 5 millimeters. You're going to want to be as thick as you can. The idea is that I'm going to essentially eliminate the supraspinatus tendon. I don't need it. I don't want it. What is my objective in this procedure? I'm going to take this dermal graft, I'm going to attach it here, and then I'm going to span it over to the glenoid, and I'm going to attach it on the glenoid. And that is the procedure. I'm going to take some suture anchors here, and I'm going to put it through, and I'm going to tie it there. So I'm going to attach it on the glenoid, and then I'm going to take my suture anchors here, and I'm going to attach it laterally on the greater tuberosity. And now what I've essentially done is, if I'm attached here and I'm attached here, and I fire my deltoid, because this piece of tissue is bridging from here to here, it's going to minimize how far the humeral head is going to go vertical. And so essentially this is acting as the supraspinatus tendon, even though this is not actually going to be connected to the supraspinatus tendon. Now you could tie it in over here, but it's not a functioning supraspinatus tendon. This is a static structure. But in effect, what it's going to do, it's going to allow you to keep the humeral head down, so it's not going to raise up. This is going to be tethered here, and you're going to allow the humeral head to kind of stay in place here and rotate and use your arm and give you range of motion.